Take a look at this video.
Our story begins in the year 2024 in Nigeria. A young woman named Zara is getting ready for bed.
From the initial brainstorm to the script writing, the voiceover, the visuals, background music, and final editing, everything was created entirely inside CapCut. No external tools, no paid plugins. It's a complete creative studio powered by AI, and it's completely free. CapCut now handles some incredible AI tools: Brainstorm tool, script generation, text-to-speech, smart editing, visual creation, and music matching, all working in sync. All you have to do is feed it a topic, and the CapCut all-in-one AI tool does the rest. Brainstorms the video ideas, write a script, generates natural-sounding voiceovers, build visuals, choose music, and edit it all together. In just the last 2 hours, I've used it to create long-form video, cinematic shots, storytelling reels, commercials, and more, all from inside CapCut. So if you have ever wondered how creators are using AI to work smarter, faster, and more creatively, let me show you how CapCut's newest AI features are changing the game. Now let's get started. Open CapCut to get started. Now this is the new interface, and you can see the AI tools. They are obviously adding more tools, some free and some for the pro users. Some of these features I think are slowly being introduced into the mobile apps, but for the best experience, do this on the web or desktop app. We are going to be using the free AI video maker, and in it you have the instant AI video maker, Brainstorm with AI, avatar video, and match media to script in one click. All these are free to use for all users. The instant AI video lets you create videos from text scripts. You can add your script or give it a title, and it will generate a script for you and create videos from that. If you don't know where to start and you want to brainstorm some ideas and you need the tool to give you some topic ideas, then start with the Brainstorm tool. The tool will help you brainstorm some ideas, give you some topics, and then create a script based on those ideas. Let's start with the Brainstorm idea tool. Click on that. Here I will type in a simple subject and let CapCut brainstorm some creative ideas for me to explore. I will enter romantic short film about 2 time travelers. Then the tool will give me 5 creative topics like these ones: a love that defines time, a romantic short film, timeless romance, the journey of 2 time travelers, falling for you across eras, a heartfelt tale of love and time, and so on. If you need more topics, click on generate more, and it will give you 5 more creative topics to explore. Brainstorm key points and review the topics carefully. Each one has a different story direction, like one could be focused on forbidden love across timelines. Others might lean toward comedy or tragedy, where one dies in the timeline of the other, and so on. You can choose a topic or combine 2. Like I can combine Chronicles of the Heart, a short film on time travel romance, and A Journey Through Time, the heartbeat of 2 lovers. These 2 will probably work together for what I want. And then down here, click Generate Script to start generating your script. Then you have this pop-up. Select the duration. I'm going to select 5 minutes. This is not too long or too short for the short video that I want. Now the requirements. This is where you can add some requirements you want in your story. Maybe the storytelling style. Maybe you want something like a poetic narration with cinematic pacing. Then the setting and time period. For this, maybe you want the love story to include some eras like ancient, present day, and futuristic. Then the romance tone. Maybe you want a bittersweet ending, but with hopeful mood. And maybe you want it to include the moment of intense emotional connection. Then the dialogue and voice. If you want it to include use of soft poetic dialogue between the characters, and then the visual style and format, you can add something like use slow motion and dreamlike transition, and so on. The requirement of course depends on the topic and the kind of script you want it to develop. So here I'm going to add something like create a 5-minute romantic short film set across 3 timelines: ancient, present-day Nigeria, and a futuristic world, featuring poetic narration, dreamlike transitions, soft dialogue, emotional music, and a symbolic time traveler object, then like a pendant or book, or is it time travel with a bittersweet but hopeful ending narrated by the protagonist. Something like this is good for this story. Once you've added this into the requirement field, click generate. Then the script generator will start its thing. It will jump into writing mode, drafting a full script with the screen breakdown, the pacing, and emotional tone. Any kind of script for any type of video, whether it's an ad or you want drama, comedy, or education, it will do that for you. Now, you don't need to use Gemini or ChatGPT or Copilot to draft your script. You can do it right inside CapCut. And that is pretty amazing if you ask me. No need to use any brainstorming tools. Everything can be done right here. Once you're done, you have your script. Go through the script, and if you like it, click on Use. On the left is where the magic happens. You can start to create your video, arrange the scenes, add elements like caption, and add a background music. Go to the Scenes tab, and here you can add voiceover and media. For the voiceover, you can choose to add voices or use your own avatar or use some of the recommended avatars that come built in. This is a story that we want to tell with pictures, so we need media. So I'll add voice and media files. So select voice and go through the list of the voice that come built in. I will select English and select this one. I think I like Andrew. For this kind of story, Andrew is the best one that I've seen. And of course, you can go through the list. You can play the voice to see what it sounds like, and it will add a voice to the script. Now go to media, and here you can see we have three options to choose from. AI generated images, your own images or videos, and then the media stock images from the CapCut image gallery. I want AI generated because I want the images to be added. I want them to be unique. So click on this and now select the aspect ratio 16:9 for long form videos and 9:16 for shorts or reels or TikTok videos. Then the style, I will choose realistic. Of course, you can choose from any of the other options and then apply changes. Next, go to elements and then add caption. Select any font you want, and then finally, I'm going to go to music and add background music. For this story, we need something cool, cinematic, and emotional. You can choose from the genre that fits or enter background music here and select one from the list. Once everything is added together, you can see the preview of the video right here. So click to play it back.
Until she collapses.
And if you need to make any edit, like change the voice or the background music or the media file, click on the tabs and then change and apply changes to the script. Once you are done and you're happy, select export to export it to your computer, and it will be exported to your computer. If you want to edit it further inside CapCut, maybe you want to add some animation or some effect, or maybe change some media file that you don't like, click edit more, and this will open the video inside CapCut. For one reason or the other, when I click edit more this time around, it's taking very long to export. So I'm going to select the one that I created earlier. Once you click edit more, it's going to open like this inside CapCut, and you can see all the layers, the audio layers, the background music and voice, and of course the caption and media image layers. You can select any media and then apply changes like this. I can scale or go to animation and add an animation, in and out animation. You can also add effect to any of the images and so on. If you're a pro user, you can actually edit the images or media files directly inside the CapCut editor. You can click on any image, then go here and then add a prompt and a reference image, choose the model, generate another image or images to replace the one or the ones you don't like. You can also do that with video. As a free user, you can't do that, but what you can do is to import any image and now replace any image that you want to delete. For example, let's go to this place and you can see we have a space here. I don't know why. Maybe I accidentally deleted that image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Dreamina and use the Seedance 1.0. If you don't know how to use this, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can know how to generate AI images or videos using Seedance 1.0. I'm going to select AI image, then type in a prompt, go for a walk. I may get an ice cream. Then select the aspect ratio and click generate. Download the result and I'm going to import it into CapCut inside the CapCut editing window. Then drag it here and fill. Then this missing part also, I'm going to just drag this to the end to fill it and we are done. Now go through it one more time and once you are satisfied, you can export this and you have your edited video created with the AI tool inside CapCut and edited further inside the CapCut editing window. Now let's go back and explore the other AI tools. As I said before, the AI instant tool is for when you already have your ideas, topics or script and you just want the tool to create a video for you. That's like the video creation without the brainstorm session. Now click on that. This is basically the same steps like before. Select the style, aspect ratio, select a voice you want to use. You can select one now and then change it later if you want. Then enter your script or let the script generator create one for you from a topic. I'm going to enter something like a delivery app that guarantees 10-minute groceries in Lagos, Nigeria. Maybe I want to create an ad video. So this is something that I would do for something like that. So don't forget to select the time or duration you want. Now click generate and let the video generator generate videos from the script based on the topic entered. Using the keywords delivery app, then the location, Lagos, Nigeria, and of course what the app does. And this is the result. You can play it back and let's see what we have. If you want to change anything, click on each tab and go through each like we did earlier and change whatever you want to change. Once you are done, you can export it, and if you need further editing, you can click edit more to edit it further inside the CapCut editing window. Now the avatar video maker actually does what it says, but you have to create your own avatar first or select from the ones built in. To create your own avatar, you can upload a video of yourself speaking. That video needs to be at least 10 seconds long and the tool will create your avatar from that. Now when you add a script or ask the tool to generate one, it will use your voice and your avatar as speaker in your videos. Let's use one of these avatars come built in. I'm going to select Samuel just to see what it can do. Let's generate a script with the script writer. Enter the life of a Nigerian in the Ahmed era. I'm not going to add the last name. You understand what I mean. So once you are done, click create. Now it will do the same thing as before and then give you the result. Instead of media files, we have your avatar speaking. Change the avatar if you want. This avatar is actually bad. You can see the facial expression is completely off. But this is just the beginning though, so I'm sure it will get better with time. Maybe if I upload my own avatar, it will do a better job. You can add your own avatar here and then apply changes. But this is how this works inside CapCut, the avatar video tool. Then the match media to script in one click. This one also I like. So if you have your media files like your videos or images for your videos and you want the tool to actually match the script to all your videos, this is the tool that you can actually use. Just upload your videos or images and it will automatically match them to the script. So let's try this. Click upload to upload your videos. I'm going to select some of the videos that I used for one of my recent AI videos. But first, enter the script for the video. I'm going to copy a script and now paste. Then click upload to start uploading the media files. Upload that. Once uploaded, select the voice you want and then click create. This tool will upload all the media files and then match them to every part of the script. It actually did a good job the last time that I tried it. In fact, it knows where to cut off a video and match it with the start of another video in scenes where they actually fit in. It's not perfect though, so you can actually click edit more and edit it further inside CapCut. And now for script to video, you can generate script for movies, games, commercials, live stories, add title of your choice, select highlights, and the duration. Now you can go ahead and let the video generator generate videos from the script. There are other AI tools like video translator, AI dialogue scene, and AI fashion model. Most of these other tools are for pro users, and they continue to add more and more AI tools. So if you fancy any of these other AI tools and features, you can upgrade to the Pro plan. This for me is a game changer, and with this, you don't have to subscribe to many of these other expensive AI tools. These free AI features are already impressive, and they are only going to get better. So go ahead and check this out. Open CapCut and start creating amazing AI videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Reels, and start making money with what you create. So if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.